How to convert Facebook page to profile account. If you want to change your Facebook page to a profile account, follow these steps. Firstly, open Facebook on your device. After that, tap on the three-line icon at the bottom panel. Now you will land to your menu section. In your menu section, tap on your profile at the very top. Now you will land to your profile section. Here you will need to click on the three-dot icon. You will see this three-dot icon next to the advertise option. Now inside your profile settings, you will see different kind of options. Go to the option turn off professional mode. Now you will need to turn off your professional mode. Click on continue at the bottom. Now you will get a description on what will change and what will stay the same. If you agree with it, then click on turn off. And now your professional mode has been successfully turned off. Now when you go back to your profile page and refresh, your profile page will get converted to your profile account. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.